We got the Galvan Chapter Car Club. Let's go. H-Bomb, come on.
Hey, what's up guys? So I'm in the process of taking this. I took this thing off right here. Took the trim off because it was cracking. Take all the residue off. Had to bring out the blow dryer. And this is what I'm using to replace it. Got the part number right here. Got the, it says, let me focus. Focus 3/8, half round, 20 feet, chrome kit. So it's basically the little chrome trim. Got the 3M tape in the back. So I got the top part done. I got this tucked in there. This curve right here was giving me some problems because it was popping out through here and through here. So I had to hold it down real quick. Make sure it sticks. It's sticking good right now. And then right here I had to go tuck it in right here. I I cut it too long, so it's popping out a little bit right here. But it's all good. Alright, now we're gonna do the bottom part. Take this off. Take off the glue, prep it. Alright, so I ended up tucking this one this side there. Work my way over here. Alright man, same thing over here, just keep it pressed and it'll stick. Now keep going. And I ended up cutting it right here. This one looks tucked in, this one just cut right here. But it looks cool.